Kadir here, there's a new study published just 3 months ago that will change the way we look at vitamins for kidney patients forever. This is of the greatest importance for us because nutrition is the key to beat kidney disease. I've personally met kidney disease patients who are able to improve, some even in the advanced stages. And I can't stress enough how much getting the correct vitamins every day made a difference for them. Some vitamins are converted by the kidneys, and when they are damaged, deficiencies are incredibly common. This can cause further kidney damage. And it's not a secret that 90% of people with kidney disease have one or more vitamin deficiencies. The bright side is that solving vitamin deficiencies can really help. So, you may imagine the shock when I found out that what I was saying in my last video about vitamins and kidney disease was wrong. Never supplement vitamin A unless your doctor explicitly tells you to take it. Other vitamins that should never be self-prescribed include vitamin K and vitamin E. So, do not take a multivitamin that contains any of these vitamins. Let's see now what vitamins you actually need. And that is not correct anymore? Yes, I made a mistake. Now guys, I found that my recent video had a mistake on it by reading the label of this multivitamin specifically made for kidney disease patients. This is a multivitamin that I actually recommend because it's great to fight the most common vitamin deficiency, and it is made by a kidney disease patient for kidney disease patients. This is actually great. Let's see what the label says. Now, this is mostly a supplement of vitamin D. Almost every single kidney disease patient needs vitamin D, and this supplement contains the perfect dose of it. And as we can see, it also comes with vitamin K2. You need to also supplement vitamin K2 when supplementing vitamin D because these two vitamins work together in the metabolism of calcium. Now, I've always said that you need these two vitamins, and I was correct on that. Now, here you will also get some minerals. Zinc, very useful especially for patients in the advanced stages of CKD and for those in dialysis. And also selenium. Selenium is key to preserve kidney function because it's another very common deficiency that can cause kidney damage. Very good to have it here. And from one of these pills you will also get some low doses of vitamin C, which is a key nutrient both as an antioxidant and as a way to fight anemia. Just like folate and vitamin B12. These are also going to help with fatigue. It's all in there. You can find this multivitamin down in the description. Fast shipping worldwide, by the way. And while most multivitamins made for kidney disease patients do have all these vitamins and minerals, there is one more vitamin here that's usually not recommended. Can you see it? Other vitamins that should never be self-prescribed include vitamin K and vitamin E. So, do not take a multivitamin that contains any of these vitamins. Yes, I was wrong about vitamin E. Actually, some kidney patients may need it. So, the question is, why do you need vitamin E? There is one thing about vitamin E you need to understand. Vitamin E is an essential nutrient, which means you need to get some vitamin E in your diet or you will risk, well, death. And also, vitamin E is a very powerful antioxidant. Oxidative stress is something we want to fight because it damages the kidneys. And certain vitamins and nutrients can help, vitamin E included. Now, in CKD patients, however, the guideline is to never supplement this vitamin. So, if you get vitamin E from foods, it's alright, but what doctors and nephrologists will tell you, and I was with them, is that you shouldn't supplement it. So, what changed about this vitamin? Well, this review of studies was published just 3 months ago and was made just to answer this question. Who actually needs vitamin E? You see, this vitamin has some pros and some cons. As we have seen, it's a powerful antioxidant which can help fighting kidney damage. Now, if our goal is to beat kidney disease, we need all the antioxidants we can. But vitamin E is also a fat-soluble vitamin, and that means that if supplemented in too large doses, it can accumulate. And that's a problem. It's especially dangerous in patients in the advanced stages of kidney disease. But on the other hand, this very recent meta-analysis carefully reviewed several placebo-controlled studies conducted on kidney disease patients that demonstrated reduced markers of oxidative stress, decrease in proteinuria, the most important marker of kidney damage, reduction in cardiovascular disease, the #1 cause of death, and more. All that thanks to vitamin E supplementation. In a different study conducted on 59 diabetic kidney disease patients in stage 3, those administered 400 mg vitamin E had a significant reduction of creatinine levels and a significant improvement in GFR. So, is it time to start taking this vitamin to fight kidney disease? What we have seen today is an amazing result because it's actually changing the way science looks at vitamin E for kidney disease. But it's still too soon to say that all patients should be supplementing this vitamin in high doses. So while I would recommend considering a vitamin E therapy to diabetic patients with kidney disease in the initial stages, those in stage 4 or 5 shouldn't supplement this vitamin in high doses, at least until we see more research about it. Actually, the multivitamin I was showing earlier only has 3% of your daily value of this vitamin, which is less than what you get from many foods. This is perfectly safe. Also, very interesting, the author of this meta-analysis concluded saying that while we still need extensive research before recommending vitamin E supplements, it's already clear that a higher intake of this vitamin from foods has a beneficial impact on all kidney patients. Now the question is, what foods are the best sources of this vitamin in our renal diet? Vitamin E is present mostly in foods such as oils, nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and green leafy vegetables. Some of the best food sources of vitamin E perfectly suitable for a renal diet include greens such as mustard greens, turnip greens, and beet greens. These are great sources because you will get up to 10% of your daily value of vitamin E in a single serving. Red sweet pepper are even richer in vitamin E, and they are great for a renal diet since they are very low in potassium. Some fruits are also rich in vitamin E, especially blackberries and kiwi fruit. Both these fruits are vitamin powerhouse and also low in potassium. Make sure you eat them regularly. Now when it comes to vitamin E, certain seeds and nuts are even better. Sunflower seeds. Just 1 ounce of these seeds contains up to the 66% of your daily value for vitamin E. And that's a lot. Now, while sunflower seeds have some benefits, they should be eaten in moderation since they are also rich in phosphorus. A food that's even better is almonds. Almonds are almost as rich in vitamin E as sunflower seeds. Just 1 ounce of almonds contains 48% of your DV for this essential vitamin. And people with kidney disease are usually recommended to have almonds in their diet since these nuts are really rich in magnesium and vitamins and relatively low in phosphorus and potassium. Now guys, if you want to see more foods that are absolutely a must in a renal diet that works, my video up here is for you, and this is all for today. Thank you for watching. God bless.